Hello everybody! Welcome to our YouTube channel. Here, I will show you how to make Excel look better. Let's face it, Excel is an incredible tool for managing and analyzing all sorts of data, whether it's tracking your monthly expenses or analyzing business metrics. However, as powerful as it is, Excel sheets can often look cluttered, overwhelming, and frankly a bit dull. A messy spreadsheet can distract from the valuable insights within, making it difficult for anyone to understand the data at a glance. That's why today, we're focusing on transforming your Excel spreadsheets into visually appealing and highly readable documents. With just a few simple adjustments and formatting tricks, you'll not only enhance the aesthetic appeal of your spreadsheets, but also improve their accessibility and functionality. So, let's dive right into it. We're going to start by creating some breathing room in your Excel sheet. A great way to do this is by beginning your table in cell B2. By starting here and intentionally leaving column A blank, you create a tidy margin on the left side of your sheet. This small change can make a big difference, offering a cleaner and more organized look that makes it easier for anyone to scan through the information quickly. Now, let's talk about grid lines. While they can be helpful for organizing data, grid lines sometimes contribute to a cluttered appearance. To give your spreadsheet a sleeker look, you can easily hide these default grid lines. Simply press the Alt key, followed by W, V, and G in sequence. This handy shortcut will remove the grid lines from view, offering a much cleaner appearance to your spreadsheet layout. Moving on, we need to consider the alignment of your data. Alignment plays a crucial role in enhancing readability. As a general rule, align text to the left and numbers to the right. This alignment helps create a natural flow for reading text and allows for easier comparison of numbers, ensuring your audience can digest the information quickly and effortlessly. Another vital element of making your Excel sheets look professional is your choice of color scheme. It's important to keep things simple by limiting the number of colors you use. Aim for no more than 3 muted colors. Whites, light grays, and other subtle shades are excellent choices for creating contrast without overwhelming the viewer. A simple, cohesive color palette keeps your spreadsheet looking tidy and professional. Next, let's talk about tables and styles. You can convert data ranges into Excel tables by pressing Ctrl+T. Doing so not only applies neat automatic formatting, but also introduces banded rows. Banded rows alternate the background color of each row, further enhancing the visual organization of your data. Additionally, using cell styles or themes can help maintain consistent formatting throughout your sheet. Remember, consistency is key to achieving a polished, professional appearance. Now, let's discuss the magic of the Format Painter. This tool is incredibly efficient for replicating formatting across cells. The Format Painter allows you to copy formatting from one area of your sheet and apply it to other areas seamlessly. Simply double-click on the Format Painter icon, and you'll be able to apply the same formatting repeatedly without needing to restart the tool each time. By following these tips, you'll transform your Excel sheets into clean, professional, and easy-to-navigate documents. Not only will your work look better, but it will also be more readable and accessible for anyone viewing your spreadsheets. Thanks for watching. If this guide helped you with how to make Excel look better, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more easy-to-follow tutorials.